Arabia, a mysterious sun-baked landscape, a harsh and seemingly empty place alien to the world at large. And yet for thousands of years, a constant stream of migrants, traders, and pilgrims has been drawn to this land. Arabia has welcomed and observed desperate people, beliefs, and customs, all challenging the scorching heat yet yearning for an opportunity to live here. After the discovery of oil, Kuwait and other countries in the region became the ultimate destination for job seekers as well as businesses. The economy grew and prospered, creating a big change in the urban scene. More areas were populated, more houses, more office towers, more community service installations. Each has its unique requirements, but one thing in common: they all needed shaded spaces. The K-span and Super K-span can be made to any design that the client requires. With various options in terms of design, cost, look, and materials. The company offers a wide selection of models and materials. K-span and Super K-span are firm because of its arch-shaped design, enabling the structure to endure the rough nature elements in the Gulf. The systems are easy to erect, lightweight, and very cost-effective. The projects and fitting completed are plentiful and can be seen across the country. They can also be seen in many industrial buildings. The systems are used in car parks, aeroplane hangars, and warehouses. Super K-span stands tall for all to observe. Independent, durable, flexible, versatile, low maintenance, safe, and made from the best materials in the world. Where we guarantee quality and sustainability of our products for years to come, no matter where they are installed. The first question we always ask our clients: how do you and your family live in your home? Because we want the shaded experience to make a lasting impression. The fabrics used in the shades are of the highest quality and offer an aesthetic aspect as well. It is a place where ingenuity meets engineering to deliver a tailored fit. That's why custom design are available to you to give you what you need using the latest technologies in K-span and fabrics. Can also be designed to have a wooden look, which also comes in a variety of colors. There is a place where you can get your own custom designed shading solution to suit your needs. Spearheading the work is our manufacturing site. To ensure that our products are uniformly high quality, we adopt an everything done well in-house mindset. The construction is done with precision and accurate measurements. The factory holds an ISO certification. Our factory bending and shaping machines use the latest technology in this field. From processing raw materials to final assembly, we do all the work ourselves. and across the region where our reputation has gone beyond borders. The K-Span Systems is a 100% Kuwaiti product, existence in several Arabian countries like Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Iraq, and Egypt.